Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get local channels on YouTube TV so you can watch news, sports, and shows from your area. Step 1. Sign in to YouTube TV. Go to tv.youtube.com or open the YouTube TV app. Sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Allow location access. Local channels are based on your current location. On mobile, make sure location services are turned on. On a browser, allow location access when prompted. Step 3. Set or verify your home area. Tap your profile icon. Go to Settings, Area, Home Area. Make sure your home location is correctly set. If needed, tap Update or Verify Location. Step 4. Browse local channels. After setup, YouTube TV will automatically show local ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, local news stations, regional sports networks, if available. Important notes. You must be in your home area every 90 days to keep local channels active. You can only change your home area twice per year. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.